Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at how you will be able to review an invoice saved by your purchase team and how you will be able to submit the invoice after checking the original invoice copy and the information entered and by adding the right amount of TDS. So you can navigate inside the invoice, supplier invoice via this report. It will show you the voucher number of the system, which is for just your reference, internal reference. This will be your supplier invoice number, name of the supplier, uh, the grand total amount, outstanding amount, and the status, and for which shipment it has been recorded. These are the job numbers. So what you can do is you can click on this system generated voucher number. You can go inside the invoice. You can review the attachments uploaded, the original invoice attachment uploaded by your team by clicking on the PDF link. It will show you the original invoice and the amount. You can print it or you can cross refer it and check the data entered by your team in the item section and see whether everything has been entered properly or not. System will automatically calculate the tax withholding amount, which is the TDS deduction, TDS payable deduction on a purchase invoice as soon as the invoice is saved. But if you want to change it in cases where you are feeling that the TDS amount calculated by the system is not correct or you have a different logic of calculation, what you can do is you can just deselect this checkbox. You can delete the row and then add the TDS payable on net total, on the invoice amount, not the GST inclusive amount, on the invoice amount by clicking on net total and then selecting the right TDS payable ledger, whether it is 194C or 194H, you will be aware. Then what you need to do is you need to make sure that you are deducting the amount. Right now you can see it is getting added. So what you have to do is you have to click on this arrow, go inside and click on deduct. As soon as you do that, the amount will be deducted from the invoice amount. So now you can see that 5,600 is getting deducted from the invoice amount. Then I'll click on save and then submit. So as soon as you submit the invoice and you have added the TDS payable amount, in the TDS payable monthly report for the supplier, the invoice will start appearing with the supplier name, the section code, the TDS section code which we have applied, the rate of deduction, the total amount calculated 5600, and the invoice number will also appear. The system generated invoice number will also appear here, and you can navigate to that purchase invoice from here. So we had recorded this purchase invoice. You can go inside the purchase invoice directly from here. So this is how you will be able to submit a purchase invoice, review the details uploaded by your team against the original invoice received from the supplier. You'll be able to change the TDS payable and how it will reflect in the TDS payable report. Thanks for watching this video.